Hello everyone, this is Fazal or Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my videos on projects. Today I brought you a new project on cloud computing domain. Let us see what is the concept of the project. The title of the project is Data Mining in Cloud. Okay, and this is the landing page of the project. Let me tell you some facts and information about this project. This project is purely developed in the Django framework, okay, using Python programming language. And for front-end technologies, we are using here HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, and this project also uses a database. We are using here MySQL database. But in case if you want to integrate this with real-time, okay, cloud like AWS, we can do that also. I have the code with me, which okay connects our application directly to the real-time AWS cloud. Now, to execute this project, what are the necessary softwares are there? All I have installed in my system. There are three different types of users are there in this project. Okay, cloud is there, data owner is there, and normal user is there. To execute the flow of the project very clearly, I'm going to open these three users in three different tabs. So let's assume that this is for cloud, and I'll open in data owner in new tab. Similarly, I'll open user in new tab here. Now, first of all, let us go to data owner and try to register a new data owner here. Okay, let me give some details. Data owner. Email ID, provide the correct email ID because we are going to send some sort of email here. And okay, password I'm providing here. Phone number also we need to provide it very clearly because to this phone number only the SMS will be sent. SMS API and email API, both we are using in this project. Next, select the profile picture. Register. You can see here it is asking to enter the OTP. I have received the OTP in directly on my mobile phone. Let me give that OTP here. It is 6435, 4-digit. Okay. OTP. Let's verify this. And the verification is successful. We are into the login, owner login. Let's try to perform over owner login here. Okay. Email ID we need to provide. Account not activated. It says here the account is not activated. Okay, so let's go to cloud here and try to activate this user account. Cloud login. This is the cloud dashboard where we can see here total number of users, how many are there, total number of owners are there, how many data files have been uploaded in the cloud, and total number of downloads, how many users have done here. Now we can go to view owners, and there is a owner here with this name, and his account is in pending. Let's try to accept this user account. And click on accept, and the account is accepted here. You can see it's accepted. Now this user will be able to log in. Let's try to log in this user. Yes, login is successful now. Here in the data owner dashboard, this is the data owner dashboard. You can see here how many total number of users, owners, uploads, and downloads. Okay, a simple dashboard we have provided here with meaningful icons. Now let's go to upload file, and we can upload the files here. Let's provide some description. Okay, personal pic. Choose the file, upload it, uploaded successfully. Okay, about book. I'll select a file here. Now I'll select text file. We can upload any type of file in the cloud. Now, if I go to my files here, you can see two files are available here of mine. Okay. It's not like all the files will be visible to the user, only those files what he has uploaded. And this file status is in pending state. It's in pending. So cloud needs to accept the files. Okay, after auditing. Let's go to cloud here and view files. If you scroll down below, if you scroll down, yeah, here it's at the top only. Okay, recently uploaded, otherwise it's coming. Now here, file size is there and view option is there. If you want to view some details about that, we can view here. Okay, file name, file type, uploaded date, and both are pending. Let's accept both these files from the cloud. Accepted successfully. Let's come here and if we refresh, we should see the accepted files. Top K files. Okay, there is no rank here. Okay, there is no rank here because if some users search these files, if some users download these files, then only the rank will be increases. You can see here we have provided two different options here, top K download files, top K search files. But this user does not have any kind of searches and downloads of its files. Profile page is there. Okay, we can update anything from here. Now let's go to user here and try to register a new user such that this user will try to access the files from the cloud. So let's register a user here. Password, phone number. Okay, as I told you, we have to provide valid email ID and valid phone number because we are going to receive here emails and OTPs through SMS. Register OTP. So I should receive the OTP in my mobile phone. Yes, I have received here. Now let me provide the OTP 9675. The verification is done successfully. Now let's try to log in here. Login is successful. Now there is a simple dashboard here for the users as well. Top K files, how many top K files are there? Users can see here top downloaded files. 20 times this file is downloaded, phase 9, and 15 times this user file is downloaded. Got it? This just now what we have uploaded from the data owner, these two files have nothing, no values here. Okay. Similarly, top K search. Got it? Now let's try to search here some file. .txt I will say here. We are getting all the txt files. Okay. Let's try to download this, the file which we have uploaded. Okay. Downloading the file. The file is downloaded here. Now the next thing is here. Similarly, if I download one more time, it will be downloaded. Download. Okay. Now similarly, if we go top K download files now, you can see the value is increased here. Quite bit. This value is increased. Okay. Top K searches. Here also the value is increased. So how many times we do that, it will increase. This is the progress we are displaying here about the download files and search files. Now, My downloads, what are the files I have downloaded here, will be displayed to me. My profile. Okay. So in this way, we are saying that we can mine the data which is available in the cloud. In the search files we are doing here, okay, we can search through file name, file description, file size, file type. Anything can be searched here. So searching is there very easily, as well as in the cloud we have seen here view users, how many users are there, view owners we have seen in the cloud. Okay, view files, how many files are there, view top case search files. What is the top case search? This file page 9 is 78 times it's searched here. If you want, you can click here and see the metadata. Top case download files, 96 times this file has been downloaded, 96 times. Download graph, you can see here the complete graph of each file. Okay, 96 times this file is downloaded, page 18, the highest download for this file. Codebook.txt, okay, it has only one download. Search graph, our file which we have searched just now, only one. Okay, so these are the options which we have seen in cloud, and this is the data owner and this is the data user. So this is the complete project explanation and execution. I have shown you the flow of the project, okay, step by step. Hope you have understood the project concept. If you are getting any doubts, if you have any issues related to the project concept and implementation, or if you want any kind of upgradation, you can contact me directly to the number given, or you can ping me on WhatsApp as well. So with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.